Hi everybody, gaming lovers. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Events Announcements. My name is Eugene Romanenko. I'm still your CryptoEmcee. And please welcome my today's upcoming guest. He's Karel Striegel. He's co-founder and CEO of Arkane Network. He is broadcasting right now from Belgium, Antwerp, and he will also be the distinguished speaker of the famous CGC conference in October 10th and 11th in Kyiv, Ukraine, hosted by Andrew Sharanevich and his fantastic CGC team. Guys and girls, greetings for you, everybody. And Karel, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
First of all, could you please give us a little bit intro about you and tell us briefly about yourself and what are you working on right now in the gaming industry?
Yeah, so my name is Karel. I'm CEO of Arkane Network. We are a blockchain wallet provider, a blockchain agnostic wallet provider. And our goal, our mission is to be able to make user-friendly blockchain applications, blockchain games. We try to solve the onboarding process. We try to make life for players, users, much more easy to get into the blockchain gaming business.
Why did you decide to share your ideas and experience in Kyiv at the CGC conference on October 10th and 11th?
Well, I think it's important to share our findings with the community and the ecosystem overall. We're still very small. A lot is happening, but a lot can be improved. From our point of view, a lot is going on regarding scaling and performance from the blockchain point of view, but not as much as we would like on improving the UX and usability. And that's why I believe it's very important to share the pains that people have and try to share also solutions that we think are quite viable.
What specific topics and issues will you be speaking about in Kyiv?
Well, I hope we will have a lot of discussion regarding the UX and the onboarding and how we can actually attract mainstream users and players into the blockchain gaming industry, because that's still a roadblock. We see a lot of things and steps being taken, but we're not there yet. And I would like to have an open discussion, like how are game studios viewing the issue, how are players viewing the issue, and how are projects trying to address it, and see like what are the best points of view.
By the way, by your opinion, what are the main trends right now are in the gaming industry from the one side and the crypto blockchain industry from the other side, at the intersection of these areas?
From a gaming point of view, what you notice is that even though it's a very young space in the beginning, most of the games were releasing NFTs and you could use them in the game. And that was like the first step. Now slowly we see it evolve into games or industries or brands trying to build out a multiverse. They're more partnering together. Like recently, 0x Games just partnered with CryptoEmcee, and you can now see their cats on their planets, for example. It's really interesting to see that more and more of these studios are working together. Why is that? Because if you talk to traditional players, that's actually one of the things that they fear the most, their IP. So if you talk to a traditional studio, they will say that the multiverse is something for the far future, and they are a bit afraid of sharing their IP, while in the blockchain space, they're already doing it. So it's really cool to see that this is going on, and I'm looking forward to maybe in 1 year, see where they can actually push the bar.
And finally, Karel, whom do you personally recommend to attend CGC conference in Kyiv? For what type of person would most benefit from attending this conference?
Based on so I don't know who is going to attend this year. I don't have the full list, to be honest, but based on the last conference, I think game studios that are interested in digital items, digital assets, should really attend. There are a lot of different parties going to be present. Studios that are looking for new ways to monetize will also find a lot of new insights and interesting parties. So mainly those people, I would believe.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you are in gaming industry, or if you are not still in gaming industry and understanding what trends are going on, or try to understand what's going on there, please visit Kyiv on October 10th and 11th and visit CGC conference, famous CGC conference and find it useful for your business, please see link below and use your promo code CGC_CryptoEmcee for your 20% ticket discount. It's also written below. And by the way, we can also meet with you at the Human 2 IT conference in October 5th in Minsk, Belarus, at Chainpoint 19 conference in October 14 and 15 in Yerevan, Crypto Armenia, at Blockchain Live Europe conference in October 16 and 17 in Moscow, Russia, at Georgia iGaming Affiliate Conference in October 18 in Tbilisi, Georgia, and of course at Satoshi Invest Summit with celebrating 11th Bitcoin white paper anniversary in October 30 and 31st in Georgia. Visit CryptoEmcee.com and link below and find your discount promo codes on these events. And please subscribe on my Facebook page and YouTube channel and stay tuned for next speakers interviews. Karel Striegel from Arkane Network from Belgium, and Eugene Romanenko with you. Thank you for watching. See you in October 10th and 11th in Kyiv at the CGC conference. Stay tuned, stay crypto, stay gaming, and thank you, Karel.
Thank you.